Tired of endless emails and losing track of tasks? Today, I'm going to show you how to send emails directly to your Trello board, turning those messages into actionable cards. First, open the Trello board where you want to receive the emails. Next, locate and click on the Show Menu button, usually found on the right side of your board. This opens up the board's options. In the menu, select PowerUps. PowerUps add extra functionality to your Trello boards. Now, search for the email PowerUp. Trello offers its own email to board PowerUp, so let's use that. Find the email to board PowerUp in the search results and click the Add button. Once added, close the PowerUp directory. Back in your board's menu, you'll now see an email settings option. Click on it. A unique email address will be generated for your board. This is the address you'll use to send emails to Trello. Copy this email address to your clipboard. Now, open your email client and compose a new email. Paste the copied Trello email address into the To field. The subject line of your email will become the card's title, and the body of your email will become the card's description. Send the email. Within a few moments, a new card will appear on your Trello board, containing all the information from your email. By default, the card appears in the first list, but you can easily drag and drop it to any list you prefer. Streamline your workflow by sending emails to Trello and turning those messages into cards.